I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Wallet and selecting your Apple Card. This puts you directly where changes can be made. Once done, tap the three-dot menu or the More button to reveal card settings. You need to confirm iOS is up to date because older versions hide appearance controls. If you're in the right place, make sure you're signed in with the Apple ID that manages the card, then move on to the Appearance or Card Customization option now. Now choose Card Appearance or Edit to see the available presets and custom options. This is where you pick what the physical and digital card will look like. You can select a preset color, choose a photo from your library, or use some emoji if offered. Make deliberate cropping and orientation adjustments so the main subject stays centered. Once done, preview both the front and back. Make sure the visual meets readability needs, then tap Save or Done to apply. To finish, tap Save or Done and return to Wallet to confirm the new image displays on the Apple Card tile. This ensures changes propagated. If you don't see it right away, force close Wallet, restart your iPhone and check again. This flushes caches and often resolves sync delays. If customization options are missing entirely, make sure iOS is current and your Apple ID is the card owner, and if needed, contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.